Hello, girlfriend, and today I'm gonna play some more Angry Birds Star Wars, and I am on this one. Escape the Tune. I'm gonna join the light side. I'm sorry, Mr. Pig, but I have to join the good guy side. Okay. Okay. That's Obi-Wan right there. They head for a planet, and then they find whoever you are. Oh, it's R2-D2. I saw him in the background. Okay. This guy's like a frog or something. Okay, where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay. This is pretty difficult. I don't even know where I'm aiming up. Oh, okay. Start that again. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to get him like this. Yes. Yes, spin. Yeah, there we go, he's dead. Mr. Piggy is dead. I'm sorry, Mr. Piggy. Okay. We get 3 stars. Yes, 3 stars, thank you. Okay. Let's continue. Oh. This one, where am I? It's kind of hard to move. Okay, this one's a little harder. Do I just have to go like straight through, or do I just have to go up? Okay, go over here, around that. Nope, that was not supposed to work. Maybe I was supposed to grab that rock up there and like swing my way there. Let's see if I can swing. And then that kind of worked. Okay, come on. Okay. 2 pigs alive. Think you gotta follow the coins. Follow the coins. Okay, got it. Are you serious? I got the coin, but I got the piggy. Come on, I can't see my character. Okay. Let's do that again. Just a little further this time. Got it. Okay, this time they're all gonna fall. Piggies falling on each other. Oh, that dumb pig is still there. We have to kill that last pig. We must go to the rock and swing our way there. Oh, I'm not Tarzan. Okay. What happened? What is happening? Okay. Okay, I'll take care of this, guys. Okay, problem's fixed. We're back. Okay. Boom. Oh, we unlocked the bad guy. A baddie. Who cares? Okay. Okay. It's Tarzan again. Tarzan. Ah! There we go. That's what was it supposed to go. Yeah. Blend it all out. 3 stars again. Thank you for the 3 stars. 3 stars. Okay, 3 stars. Just like what I wanted. Christmas. Not really. Okay. What happened? Ads. Yep, ads. What is wrong with these ads? Okay, now let's check the present. Oh. More Enderbirds. Enderbirds. Is it Enderbirds? It's supposed to say Angry Birds. Okay. Come on, I can barely see my character. Go, Mr. Enderbird. Grab you. Swing you over there. Hit the TNT. Boom. All you and your piggy friends are dead. Man, I like this dude. I like that dude. He's helpful to kill the pigs way much faster. 3 stars. Thank you. On our way to victory. Yay. Lunchables. No one cares about Lunchables. Okay, I think I have to grab the pig again. Or do I? Or do I have to like grab that TNT from there? Do I have to grab the TNT from there? Or grab the pig down there with the TNT? And let's see what happens if we just grab the pig and the TNT. Nope, I missed. I missed by a long shot. Got him! Boom! Hiya! Okay. That took... What? Those two little blocks were... Oh, wait, what happened? Okay, that was pretty weird. Okay, who cares? Okay, so let me go for the TNT in the top. No! That was not supposed to happen. Kind of. That's really... It was not supposed to happen. That was pretty weird. Okay, wait, let's try that again. Except grab the TNT. There we go. No! We're not supposed to grab a TNT and bring it to our death. There we go. Swing. Where you are? Oh, come on. Are you serious? Come on, bro. I know you're a little weird for this job, but you have to do it. It's the world of life. Oh yeah, throw that pig up there. He did nothing. Are you serious? This dude sucks now. Grab the pig and his TNT. Okay, that got him. Okay, kill that pig right. Okay, that's a pig down right there. What to do is there. Come on, come on. No. No. My God, why? Why me? Okay, let's see. Okay. Grab pig and TNT. Oh, okay, boulder comes down. Boulder comes down. Yeah, boulder. Yes, I won. Okay, that was pretty weird. I could have thought of that in the first place. The boulder. So dumb. So dumb. Okay, level 5. Level 5 of one of many. Yeah. Okay, grab the TNT. Swing yourself. Not to a rock. Why did you swing yourself to a rock? I mean, I know you're a bird, but you know, birds are not that dumb. Are you? Oh, wait. Let it continue. Oh, come on. I thought it was gonna like swing all the way over there and like go boom to the other TNT. Okay, let's try that again. Grab the TNT. Yeah. And no. No, that's not supposed to... Okay, who cares about that? Let's just go for the bigger TNT. Grab you. Swing you. Boom! Crashed your party. Haha. Yeah, that's it. I'm a party crasher. Yeah, oh God. Okay, they're all dead. I thought I'd have to use the other pig. Oh my God. It demolished all of them except for that TNT. That perfectly luscious TNT standing up there, waiting to explode. Oh my God. And it passed. Yeah, in perfect time. Okay. Little kid, I'm him. Am I? Oh. Oh, I didn't get to see what he does. Oh, I did. What does he do? Okay, let's just try him first, and then. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, and oh, he's pretty useful. Okay. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me playing Angry Birds Star Wars, and also you can kill the piggies if you tap them. That's pretty cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.